Hi everyone, I'm Troy Araujo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. As you can see, I have scrambled the cube. So let's start with a few basics. This is a 3x3 cube. It has 6 sides and each side has a total of 9 smaller cubes. It's in a 3x3 arrangement, so the total smaller cubes are 27. Also, a cube has 3 layers. This is the first layer, the second layer and the third layer. We will solve a cube layer wise. So first we will complete the bottom layer, then we will move up and solve the center layer, and finally we will solve the top layer. Okay, so step 1, pick a color and try to get a plus symbol for that color. So I'm just going to start with blue. So I will try to get blue over here, here and here. So it would form a plus. So I can see blues over here and it has yellow and red center. I also have to make sure that the center has to match. Okay, so I've got a plus and the centers match. Now I need to match the corner pieces with the center. So right now this has red and white. So this blue piece has to get placed over here. You can see this white is over here and this red is the center for this side. So we need to get blue over here. So follow this step: down, left, up, right. Keep doing this and you will see that blue will eventually come over here. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. Down, left, up, right. So do the same thing for all the remaining sides. So we have blue, we can see yellow and red. So we know that this blue piece needs to come over here. So let's follow the same steps: down, left, up, right. As you can see, we have finally completed the complete blue color, and you should get a T symbol. Now let's do the second layer. We have completed the first layer. Let's turn this cube upside down. The bottom layer is complete. Now let's try to get the center layer. Now you need to try and get a plus on this layer. So you can see we already have one green square here and over here. Now for this square, we can see this is matching with the center, red, and yellow is on the left side. So if yellow is on the left side, you will turn this once to the right and then follow these steps. Left side up, top side right, left side down, and top side left. Now you would have to turn it again towards the yellow side and follow these steps. Right side up, top side left, right side down, top side right. We got yellow on this layer. Follow the same steps. So the yellow is matching here, and we have orange on the left side. So turn this cube once to the right, and then left side up, top side right, left side down, top side left. Turn it to orange, and right side up, top side left, right side down, top side right. Keep doing these steps until you notice that the entire second layer gets formed. Try this. Clockwise, up, left, down, right. Undo. So we have got a plus right now. We have got a plus, but you can see the second layer is not completely done. We need red over here. Clockwise, right side up, top side left, right side down, top side right. Undo. Keep doing this until red gets flipped over here. Okay, so for the second layer we have the yellow layer completed and the red layer completed. We just need this cube to get flipped. So follow these steps. Clockwise, right side up, top side left, right side down, top side right. Undo. Orange is on this side, on the right side. So turn this once left and follow these steps. Now we got the orange layer completed, yellow layer completed, and red layer completed. So we need white over here. So let's match this with the white center. And we got orange on the right side. So turn this left and follow these steps. Right side up, top side left, right side down, top side right. Now turn to the orange side and do left side up, top side right, left side down, top side left. That completes the entire second layer. Now since we have completed the first and the second layer, let's finally complete the top layer. So on the bottom we had blue, on the top we have green. We need to try to get a plus symbol. So keep this side in front, turn it clockwise, up, left, down, right. Undo. We have got a plus. Now just match the centers. We require at least 2 centers to match. In this case we have all 4 centers matching. Orange with orange, yellow with yellow, red with red, and white with white. Okay, so now we got the center pieces to match. And now we need to match the corner pieces. So flip the cube upside down and follow these steps. Right side up, top side left, right side down, top side right. It's not yet matched. Okay, now you can see the corner pieces matched. Orange with orange, green with green, white with white. So now we need this piece to get flipped. Turn this to the front and follow the same step. Top, left, down, right. Top, left, down, right. Top, left, down, right. Okay, so this piece is also matching right now. Yellow with yellow, orange with orange, green with green. Now we got two more pieces left. So let's do the same thing. Right side up, top side left, right side down, top side right. Right side up, top side left, right side down, top side right. Keep doing this till this gets flipped. Okay, so you can see this is also matched. And we have finally completed the cube. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.